Hi, so Goldman Sachs have released a list of 21 stocks they see offering explosive sales growth and fat margins through to 2023 in a high inflation environment. I thought I'd share that with you in terms of which of those stocks actually fit my approved list, which is a list of 10,000 global equities and then filtered by their valuations, profitability, their revenue growth, their earnings growth, their cash return on capital invested, and their consistent outperformance of the market as well as near-term momentum. So I have a lot more stringent criteria than Goldman Sachs does. So let's share their list with you and see what happens. So what have you got first and foremost? The first one to come up is not on my approved list. You can see at the bottom there, they've listed profit margins, annual sales growth, and 2021 return. They're looking at fewer factors than I am. Those aren't the only factors they're looking at. MasterCard doesn't make my approved list. I'm a shareholder of that from earlier in last year, but doesn't make my January approved list. Okay, this does. United Therapeutics, it has made the list, and annual sales growth 13%, 2021 return was 42%. My name's getting in the way of some of these, isn't it? Let me see if I can change that and make it a bit easier for you. There you go. That's better, isn't it? Aspen does make my approved filtered list. Who else makes it? Okay. Universal Display doesn't, right? Doesn't mean I'm right. Well, it does actually. NVIDIA, not on my approved list. It was in previous years. It's not as of this January. Marvel Technology, not on my approved list. What does make it? Lattice Semiconductor does make my approved list. And you can see the metrics there, and it's on Goldman Sachs' list. Autodesk, not. Monolithic Power, not. Viva Systems, not. Was previously. I was a shareholder previously. Got my returns, got out. I hold for 12 months, and then I review everything. Meta Platforms, not my approved filtered list, but it is on my quality picks. There are 5 companies I consider quality. And it's one of the 5 in there. Zoom doesn't make the cut, neither does whatever. Vicor doesn't, neither does Insight. Booking Holdings doesn't either. Palantir doesn't. Paycom Software doesn't. Did in previous incarnation. Alphabet does, and I'm a shareholder. SciTime doesn't. You can learn a heck of a lot more and for free on my website, campaignforamillion.com.